scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Java code can be tricky, but we will master this together. Let's solve this integer division and modulo problem in just 3 simple steps. First, we calculate r modulo t. Since 23 divided by 10 leaves a remainder of 3, the variable a stores 3.0 because it is declared as a double type. Next, we look at r divided by t. Because both are integers, Java performs integer division, which truncates the decimal. This gives us 2, which then becomes 2.0. Finally, we print both values separated by a space. This leads us directly to option C as our correct result. You really nailed this one. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, trust the given types, and check your steps carefully.